Did you know if you grab a rose cutting that's at least 6 inches long and has at least 3 sets of leaves, then trim off the bottom sets of leaves and cut the tops off? Cut the stem on a 45-degree angle and a slice in the middle of it. Then grab some honey, dip the stem into honey, and plant it in some soil. It'll grow into a whole new rose bush. Honey acts as a natural rooting hormone, so don't buy those chemical rooting powders. Just do this instead. Did you know if you grab some matches and soak it in water, what's gonna happen is the phosphorus, magnesium, and sulfate is slowly gonna get released into the water. Plants need phosphorus to develop good root systems and sulfur and magnesium for these leafy greens. Once the matches dissolve, fertilize your plants with this magic stick water. Plus, if you stick the matches into the soil like this, it'll get rid of and keep away aphids and gnats. Did you know you can grow a lemon tree in a pot? Grab a lemon from the store and take out a few seeds. Remove the pulp, then soak them in a bowl of water for at least an hour. Then place the seeds on a wet paper towel. Fold it a few times and place it in a ZIPLOCK bag. In about 5 to 7 days, the seeds will root. Plant them tail down into a pot with soil. Keep the soil moist and it'll grow into a seedling. Then mist it with chamomile tea 3-4 times a week to encourage the growth. Then cover it with a plastic bottle or a mason jar to create humidity and protect it from bugs and insects. Provide it with nutrients, keep taking care of it, transplant it when it gets about 12 inches long, and then boom, you'll have a lemon tree in no time. Look at these cute little lemons growing already. We'll start growing a lemon tree. Did you know if you grab an apple, slice it in half and take out one of the seeds, wet a paper towel, put the seed on top, then sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon on it, fold the paper towel over a few times, place it in a ZIPLOCK bag, zip it lock, and then store it in the fridge? In nature, apple seeds go through cold temperatures. This is called stratification. That's why we put them in the fridge. Keep checking up on your apple seed and pretty soon you'll see, boom, it sprouted. The next thing you want to do is grab a pot with soil and plant it tail down. Keep it warm and moist, and before you know it, it'll grow into a seedling. And when it's at least 6 inches long, plant it outside and grow an apple tree.